What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to recover unsaved Microsoft Excel files. So for example, you've been working on an Excel spreadsheet or entering some kind of data, and there for some reason either you forgot to save or something happened to your computer, glitched out, or you lost power or something, your spreadsheet disappeared and you forgot to save your work. That could be very frustrating, but however, Microsoft made few solutions that can help you to recover your Excel spreadsheet or your Excel unsaved file. So first method, open your Excel and then click on blank workbook. And in here, we need to click on file and then click on open. And in here at the bottom, you will see recover unsaved workbook. And then you can click on it. And then it's gonna take you back to your workbook, and then you'll see this screen appear. And in here, most likely, you can find unsaved files. Then you just click on it and then click on open. Then the second way, you can click on file and then click on options on the bottom left corner. And then when this window is gonna appear, click on save. And in here, make sure you have saved auto recovered information every 10 minutes, and then auto recover file location is this right here. So what you need to do, you need to highlight this and then copy, and then open your file explorer, and then in your file explorer right here in the address bar, just paste what you just copied and then press enter. And it's gonna take you to this page, and right here you will see a couple folders. Just go through the folders and you might be able to find unsaved documents. And then method number 3, go to files, and then in files click on info, and then under manage workbook click on this little caret, and right here recover unsaved workbooks, just click on it. And then it's going to take you back to the same location where I showed you in the first method. So you can try either this one or the first one I show you, whatever is easiest for you. And this is pretty much it. There is one more other location you can look if, for example, you have OneDrive linked to your account. I don't have it, but you might do. You can go in there and see if there is any version history, because OneDrive also automatically saves files to OneDrive. And this is pretty much it. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.